A bloated stomach can feel extremely uncomfortable and in some cases may even cause abdominal pain. Bloating usually takes place when our friendly gut bacteria feast on undigested food, which will cause an accumulation of gas in the abdomen. Certain foods could be the real cause of bloating. You would be surprised that even healthy foods can cause bloating. 1. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium and protein. They are also rich in potassium and vitamin D. The only problem you could have with dairy products is that it contains lactose, which can cause bloating. 2. Wheat. Wheat has many health benefits. Wheat is good for the heart and can help with obesity. Wheat contains gluten, which can cause digestive problems and bloating. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. We all know that vegetables are very healthy. Eating raw vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and kale can cause severe bloating. Boiling these vegetables or eating them cooked makes it a little easier on your stomach. 4. Onion and garlic. As you probably are aware that garlic has numerous health benefits. Garlic and onions are also high in vitamin C. They may be healthy but also contain fructans that cause bloating in many individuals. 5. Beans. Beans are highly nutritious and contain large amounts of protein and fiber. They also contain antioxidants. Beans may cause bloating because they have a high fiber content and contain oligosaccharides, which are sugars that the body can find difficult to break down.